hold on, Chris. What's that you playing? That's some Prince. Dance music, sex, romance, DMSI. Don't hurt him, Chris. Atlanta, y'all know what time it is. We gotta let Prince know. We still down here partying like it's 1999. I need you to put your hands together. We're gonna sing this song. I'm gonna need your help, ATL. Are you ready? Here we go. I said. Come on, you got to shake your head like a black folk.